All right, we got a 2021 Grand Design Solitude 2930RL-R. 34.5 feet long, 3,000 pound capacity. Looks good. Is that the generator in here, I'm thinking? Oh no, just storage. Looks good. Lots of storage. Power on the side, big slide. What's in this storage then? Propane. This is the first fifth wheel we've looked at, because for the most part we've assumed it would be out of our options, but there's a chance we would consider something like that. Is this another propane tank on this side? Yep. Power outlets that pass through storage here. Heavy door, holy cow. But it's got double magnets to hold it. Oh yeah, you could sleep in there. Satellite roof access, okay. Cable satellite connections. Beautiful. And look around the rear here. All right. Wired for the backup camera. All right, no real rear storage. And there's plenty in the front. And it's plugged in, so it'll be nice and cool. All right. There's Kahley trying to cool off.
I love it.
We like the dinettes always. Look at the size of these windows. Massive. Huge island. Light fixtures with the sunroof. It's awesome. Little stuff everywhere. Look at all this. Lots of storage. Light fixtures. More lights up here. Full nice Samsung standard shower. Oh, the lock. Nice. I don't know anything about the residential refrigerators, but it says 10-year warranty on the condenser, or compressor, I mean. Nice oven. Huge convection microwave. Lots of space there. Got a big pantry. Tons of room. I mean, storage for days. 34 feet. And then, oh, here's more storage, by the way. It's like for vacuum, maybe. Huge shower. Or bathroom, I should say. Love the vanity. The shower's a good size. I fit in it. It's comfortable. More storage everywhere. And then it comes with an optional king or queen. So I assume it would look similar just without the storage on the sides, because this is the queen. It's got a slide for this whole unit here. Just storage everywhere, and then the view out the front. Tinted, of course. It's already got the TV in here. This is awesome. The first thing Kahley said is, this is the one.
Just like my dress. I knew instantly when I got in it was the one.
Yeah, so if we decide we want to pull 11,000 pounds, I think that's how much this thing weighs, and we want to go straight to something this size, definitely an option. The ceilings are so high. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall. I'm like a foot away from the top, reaching.
Foot. Easily 3.
Oh, jeez, from touching it, Kahley.
Oh.
Hand up. All right, on to the next one.